What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to update apps on your Android TV. Now updating the apps on your TV can be very useful, especially if you want to be able to get all of the latest security patches or be able to use all of the newest features on certain applications on your TV. Now before we go into that, over here I have a TCL Android TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of Android TV you have, whether it's a TCL Android TV, a Sony Android TV, Hisense, or even any Android TV box or stick. For you to be able to update any app on your Android TV, what you want to do is to head over to the Google Play Store. So come over to the apps tab at the top right corner of your Android TV, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store app. You can literally see mine over here. And once the Google Play Store opens, you want to go ahead and look for the specific app you want to update on your Android TV. Now let's take, for instance, I want to update the Downloader app. It's a very popular app that is used for side-loading third-party apps, and you can literally see the app over here. So if I want to update this app, once I search for it and then click on it, if there is actually an update for that particular application, just like this, you're going to see that there is the update button for you to update that particular application. But if you select the specific app you want to update and you do not find the update button, what it means is that that particular application is already up to date and does not need any update, or the developers of that particular application has not pushed any updates for you to update on your TV. But if you find the update button just like mine over here, then go ahead and click on update and then give the TV some few seconds to download and install your updates. Now it is currently installing the update, and once the update is completed, you can go ahead and open up your application directly from here, or just go back to the home and open it directly from there. Now if you also want to be able to make sure that apps are updated automatically once there is an update, basically what you can do is to scroll over to the top and then just scroll over to where you have your profile icon at the top right corner of your Google Play Store on your Android TV. Now from here, what you just want to do is to scroll down and then click on updates over here. So just come over here and click on updates, and over here you're going to see all of the apps that actually need updates on your Android TV. So you can literally see all of them over here, and if you actually want to update all of them, you can just go ahead and click on update all, and all of the apps over here will be automatically updated. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.